She just got her license.
Oh my God, let me see.
Oh, yours has a heart on it. What does it mean?
That means I'm an organ donor. In the US, we use an opt-in system, which means we get to decide if we want to be an organ donor when we go to the DMV.
What does being an organ donor mean?
Basically means that I have agreed to let my organs be used to save another person's life after I die.
Wow, that's really interesting.
Wow, I didn't even know that. Over 600 people on an organ donation waitlist just in Delaware. And making this decision to be an organ donor can positively impact the lives of future patients.
But don't doctors see that you're like an organ donor and try to save your life less hard than someone else? Like, because they need the organs.
Although many people think that, it's actually not true at all. Doctors don't check your license to see if you're an organ donor if you're actually in critical condition. It's their job to save you before anyone else. And the need for organ donors is high, which is why transparency and education about organ donation is important.
My parents would feel about this. I've never talked to them about it.
Having a conversation with your parents before going to the DMV to get your license and register to be an organ donor is important. They should be aware of your wishes.
I think it's cool that someone could benefit so much from something that I won't even need. I think I'll say yes to becoming a donor.
Me too!
Me three!